There's nothing like the cookout checks with cash. And I mean, I've seen a million counterfeit legitimate checks, and that looks just like every one of them I've ever seen. So.
Then came her explanation.
Do you have the rest of the pay stub?
No, I don't have it with me. I threw it in the trash. I mean, I had no reason to keep it.
One phone call decided it.
Yeah, that is not our check.
This is not yours?
On November 29th, 2021, officers with the Savannah Police Department in Georgia responded to a check cashing establishment. A woman had presented a payroll check the merchant believed to be counterfeit. 2 checks, same number, 7765. One authentic for $43.86. The other in the woman's hand, drawn for $1,276.45. That numerical gap will determine whether the charge is a felony or a misdemeanor under Georgia law.
You got gloves?
Huh?
You got gloves?
No, they're not on me.
Okay.
Counterfeit check. We've cashed several cookout checks before. That looks nothing like the cookout checks we cash. And I mean, I've seen a million counterfeit legitimate checks, and that looks just like every one of them I've ever seen. So.
Okay.
That's all right.
Is there an issue?
Apparently.
What's going on?
What you got?
He said that he's cashed ones like this before, and that's not what they look like.
I worked at Cookout, and I got that in the mail because I had moved. That's all I know, so I can cash it.
Do you have the rest of the pay stub?
No, I don't have it with me. I threw it in the trash. I mean, I had no reason to keep it.
Which cookout were you working at?
The one in Hines.
The one in Hinesville?
Yeah, I thought I got my last check in the mail before, but that one came, so I didn't think nothing about it. I was going to cash it.
Excuse me.
You're good.
You guys stay here with this officer. She's going to get some information from you, and I'll be right back.
You said that was your last check?
So how does this work? If this check is supposed to be not good, what do I do about it?
That's what the other officer's going to be able to explain once we figure out what's going on. When did you get the check in the mail?
About 4 days ago, 5 days ago maybe. It might have been before that because it was brought to me. Like it came in the mail, but it was brought to me because I was staying at my auntie's house, so she's on hospice. But so all my mail was brought to me.
How long ago did you stop working there?
Probably hadn't been about a month. That's what I'm saying. Like when I didn't think your last check would come in the mail anyways.
Hi, Catherine. This is Corporal Drungowski with Savannah Police Department. How you doing?
I'm good.
I'm great, thanks. Apparently you're the third person I spoke to. We have a young lady here in Savannah trying to cash one of y'all's checks, and the place she's trying to cash it at says it's fraudulent, and we're trying to verify whether it is or is not.
Would you be able to tell me, do you have the check or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Would you be able to tell me, it says Cookout what on it?
It says Cookout-Hinesville, Inc., P.O. Box 698, Thomasville, South Carolina, blah, blah, blah.
Okay. What does the check number say?
The 4-digit number says 7765.
August 6th, 2021? That's a date?
The only date on here that I see says 21/11/22.
My check number 7765 is written out to S.M. Williams for $43.86.
Yeah. No. This one for check number 7765 is written out to a Deanna Hathcote for $1,276.45.
Yeah, no, that's not. And this is a,
it says Wells Fargo-N.A.
Yeah. That is not our check.
This is not yours?
No, it is not.
Okay. Well,
I want to get their information to confirm
Thank you.
the text.
all right, now, hold on one second. The check originally was only for like $100 and some odd cents.
And it's written for 12.
And this is written for $1,267 and 45.
Yeah, Banks is checking to see if this is going to be a felony or not. So how did they didn't tell you, they just said this is a fake check? Or?
Well, they said that the check number 7765 was written in August of 2021 for $100 some odd to Essence Williams.
They told
That's what they told me.
Okay.
Come out.
Do you have anything on it that we need to know about?
This is my phone.
All right, go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. Does this all you have?
From now until
Officer Boyd's going to check you just to make sure you don't have anything else.
So I don't understand what's going on.
Okay, well, we'll tell you in just a minute. We're going to get you placed in the back of the car.
You got anything on you?
No.
Anything that's gonna stick me? Anything like that?
I don't have pins or a ball.
I just gotta. You got pockets in these? Have a seat. Just a second and I'll explain everything, okay?
Georgia divides forgery into 4 degrees under Code Section 16-9-1 through 4. The line between first and second degree is whether the forged instrument is uttered meaning presented for value. The line between third and fourth degree is the face amount of the check itself. $1,500 is the statutory threshold. Above it, felony. Below it, misdemeanor. The check at issue fell $223.55 below that threshold. Every degree of forgery requires the same mental state, an intent to defraud. Mere possession of a counterfeit instrument without knowledge of its false character is not the offense. The subject's stated belief that the check arrived legitimately in the mail is therefore legally significant. That does not excuse the conduct, but it places knowledge squarely at issue at trial. Probable cause was established under the totality of the circumstances test from Illinois versus Gates, 1983. The officer had a merchant's report, his own trained recognition of counterfeit indicators, and the payer's confirmation. That combination clears the Fourth Amendment threshold for a warrantless arrest under United States versus Watson. The search of the subject's person was authorized by Chimel versus California, 1969. United States versus Robinson permits a full search of the arrestee incident to a lawful custodial arrest.
Check number 7765 was written out on August 6, 2021 to Essence Williams. No, considering her name is Deanna Halfcoat.
So as of right now, the check that you gave to the teller is fraudulent. Completely fraudulent.
What does that mean? I know what that means, but what does that mean for me? That's what I don't.
That's the specifics that we're trying to find out, but at this moment, it's your 1095.
I don't know.
Which means that you're under arrest.
And what is the charge?
For use of fraudulent charges.
How does that work? I mean,
I will explain that later. I'm just explaining this part to you.
So that I'm assuming is a fake check.
That is a completely 100% fabricated check that somebody else probably got.
Yeah. Made it look real.
Are they sending somebody?
I'm waiting to get back from.
This is Washington.
Yeah. He's gonna call me back in just a second, so they're gonna figure out if they're gonna send a property crimes detective or a financial crimes detective.
Well, it's financial crimes, not property.
What is going on?
All right. So your charges are going to be forgery in the 4th degree.
What does that mean?
This is only going to be a misdemeanor. So what's going to happen is you're not going to the jail.
Okay.
What we have to do is we have to fill out some paperwork. You're going to be given a subpoena. I believe I have to take you to forensics to be fingerprinted.
Okay.
And then once we finish with that, you'll be good to be cut loose, okay? So let me get the paperwork and stuff done, and then we'll go from there, all right? If anything changes, I will let you know.
Thank you.
All right, so what's going to happen is I'm going to take you over to forensics, and they're going to fingerprint you. And then once they're done fingerprinting you, I can either let you out of the gate if you want, and you can call someone to come pick you up from there, or if there's somewhere nearby, I can drop you off. You'll get your phone back. That's okay. You'll get your phone back. Hold on one second. So, due to the jail not accepting misdemeanors, what we're doing is they're fingerprinting, and then you'll get what's called a subpoena form. This form right now, it just says TBD, so it has the address that you gave me. They'll mail you a subpoena to let you know when your court date is and everything. Once you get that, then all you have to do is show up to court.
Oh, I can fight this, right? I mean, like, it's something that's fightable.
You'll get to tell your side of it to the court.
Okay.
So normally you would be taken to the jail.
Right.
Like I said, because they're not accepting misdemeanors at the moment, you won't be taken to the jail. It's still the same process. It's just you're not sitting in a cell. Same thing we just did.
The absence of a Miranda warning on this recording is not by itself a legal defect. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, applies only to custodial interrogation. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, on-scene questioning at a place of business is not automatically custodial. The subject's pre-arrest statements are therefore admissible in the state's case in chief. The decision to release on a written subpoena rather than to book warrants a separate legal note. Where a county detention center declines misdemeanor intake, a field citation preserves prosecution without violating due process. The arrest occurred, identification was captured, and the charging document was served. That is procedurally sufficient. For the arresting corporal, the grade is A-. Independent verification. Correct. Statutory selection. Restrained demeanor throughout. The only deduction is substantive pre-arrest questioning conducted before probable cause had fully crystallized. For the subject, the grade is C+. Cooperation prevented additional charges from being added. But the volunteered narrative and the discarded pay stub gave the state its evidentiary case. For the department, A- reflecting procedural adaptability and a professional operational culture. Two lessons follow from this record, useful well beyond the specific facts of this case. First, silence is a right. A detailed, unverified narrative given to officers becomes admissible evidence against the speaker. Second, a check over $1,000 from a former employer warrants a verification call before presentation. Due diligence is not a legal duty, but its absence corroborates the state's theory of intent.
This is your copy of charges.
Yeah, I was about to say, just stand there for a second. We're cleaning up after the gentleman before you, so here's yours. Your
copy. All set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for being cordial with me.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
I can either let you out at the gate and you can walk. That's up to you. Or I can drop you off at the actual gas station. That is up to you.
What kind of gas station is it? People want to see me getting dropped off by the police. That might not look good.
And you got all your paperwork?
Let us know in the comments if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.